Hey guys, it's me Amy. Welcome back to my channel, and just ignore what I'm wearing. It's my pajamas, I know. But today I'm kind of going to be doing a squishy dare, but let's get started. So this is a squishy that is really defected, but on the back it's really, and it smells like it's really good to smell, and it's a mirror. I got this like 1 year ago, so it really defected. And I used to have a swirl donut. Wait, I used to have a donut, a swirl one, but I all lost them. And this one broke, and you can put them back together. And I'm going to get some new squishies. I'm going to get 12. And stay tuned for that video, because I'm going to do a squishy video. It's probably going to, I probably need to wait 1 more week, because it's like, I've been waiting forever. But yeah, so this is really broken. Whoa, sorry. It's really broken, but it's quite squishy. But yeah, I'm going to be see that it's like really came off. I'm going to be taking that off. So, look at it. It's really defected. Just hang on. So yeah, I really love squishing them. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking this off. And I'm going to be taking this off as well. Okay, so let's get started. Right. Smells really good. Okay, so I got it off. It is so squishy, but it doesn't go down, and it doesn't like really slowly go up. So that was a mirror of that. Mirror. Yeah, mirror. You can see that I'm filming with my phone, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to be taking this out. This is probably going to be, oh, okay. Really defected. Well, now, my sister did that. But I like this squishy. You can get these squishies at eBay, or you can get it, you can get it at eBay, or you can get it at squishiesshop.com or sillysquishies.com. I got this at a shop called Morning Glory. It's a Korean shop, and it sells lots of beautiful stuff. The Morning Glory shop has squishies. It used to have it last year, but I don't know if it will have it now. Well, actually, no. I got this 2 years ago. Yeah, so that's why it's really defected. Like, if you see, there's no cracks, but the color has like paled out. So yeah, I'm at Australia, Adelaide. I live in Adelaide. There might not be like Morning Glory at the USA or anything like that, or yeah, but there is here. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this off. Without further ado, okay. See that? Yeah. This is a squishy dare. Actually, no one actually has comment down below for a squishy dare, or told me to do these dares or stuff. I'm just doing it. I just chose to do this dare. Took it off. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to be drawing a little smiley face on it. I've got these similar things to these stuff. I don't know what they're called, but it's similar. Yeah, so here it is. It's like really defected. As you can see, like there's a crack there. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna get it. Okay guys, so I'm back. I couldn't find it, but that's totally okay. You can just draw it with anything. And so that's actually my video. So I'm gonna be squishing it again. It's really defected. So yeah, that was my video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Stay tuned for my squishy video.